Good morning. I'm doing this video on the fly because we off the church. Is we closing the door? Probably. Okay. I don't know around these parts these days. Any homes. Yeah. Off to church. Let me get this together. Always need a towel because you're going to stay sweating here. It's hot as hell. Okay. Clear bag because the other one broke. African dress. Red shirt. Yeah. Shoes. Because everything is hot here. I'm so sick of it. Ready to come home. I will never do a 3.5 week vacation ever again. Unless it's somewhere with amazingly good food, amazingly good air conditioning, amazingly good accommodations. Okay? Awesome stuff. Hi, buddy. He always be checking for me because I feed them. Why do I feed them? Because the food is nasty. Okay? Yeah. So we off. This gate is so hard. I'll never have one of these. If it's not automatic, I don't want it. Out here feeling like a yin yang twin. She leaking. She soaking wet. I'm cute though. Love the restaurant decor. They have a large drink menu, but we don't drink. Yeah. We're gonna go home, Say yeah, you're the cutest. I got food all in my teeth. My friend, what's your name? Tell them your name. Laylan? Yes. Okay, currently at the Beehive. We came out here with the pastor and some church members. Mind you, the Beehive is a bar. Nothing but liquor. The drink menu is larger than the food menu, which is crazy. That is it behind me. Any homes, the food, I got tacos, was nasty. Okay, the only thing that had some flavor was the sauce. Over it. Since I've been in Belize, I only had maybe 6 dishes that I like. Please send me back to America. I'm over it. Over it. Almost 3 weeks in Belize, and I'm ready to come back home. We are at this beautiful outside bar called The Hive, and these people still have an outhouse. Ugh, please rescue me. Rescue me. Good morning. I don't know what day we on. I'm not even gonna hold you, but we're about to the end of our trip. We have got 6 days left, and we'll be back in America. I'm so excited. I'm ready to eat some good food. Yes, so excited. But any homes, as y'all can see, I'm a Belizean. We about to go to the market to trade in some stuff because it broke, and get Bay a shirt because I forgot to get him a shirt, and get some food. It's cloudy today, about to rain, so we not doing much until then.